how to set time to ignore repeated touches on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on accessibility. So you will see accessibility is here, so click on accessibility. Now here, so click on interaction and dexterity. So after click on interaction and dexterity, so click on scroll down and click on ignore repeated touches. So after click on ignore repeated touches, so click on, if you want to set time ignore repeated touches, so click on set time and you will see you will set time from here. So if you want to increase time, so click on this plus option. So if you want to decrease time, so click on this minus option. So after select time, click on try to out and click on done and go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can set time to ignore repeated touches on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.